Twilio SMS tutorial, how to use Twilio. So first of all, if you want to go ahead and use this, one of the first things you can do is to create yourself a Twilio account. It's really simple. Just go ahead to your preferred browser, search for Twilio or your Twilio console, and then you will find their website where you can either sign in if you already have signed up and you have an account, or you can sign up. So that's pretty simple to sign up. Just go ahead and put in your email, verify that, and then put in your number as well. And you're gonna verify your number also. But once you've done that, Twilio's official quick start says that the SMS is sent through a programmable messaging REST API, usually using your account SID, your auth token, or a Twilio from number and the recipient's phone number. In code, you install the Twilio SDK, then you add your message body, then you can send it to the user's number. But for bigger or more serious apps, Twilio recommends using a messaging service, which groups your senders, handles settings, and helps manage delivery at scale. You can also create one in your Twilio console, which we are right here. The setup is pretty simple. Just go ahead and log in with your Twilio account, and once you've done that, you're gonna have to personalize your onboarding as well. You could change later on, but as of now, you gotta do this in order to enter your actual dashboard. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you're there, you can create it in your Twilio console. Go ahead there, go to your messaging, and then go to the services. But you will get a step-by-step method on how to do this. You can name your messaging service, and then what do you want to use this messaging service for. There's going to be some options here, but if it's not, you can press on the not listed. But then you can just go ahead and create your messaging. But simple terms, Twilio works like a bridge between your app and also phone networks. Your app sends an API request, Twilio delivers the SMS, and you can track replies or delivery status from your dashboard API directly in your Twilio dashboard. But that's pretty much one way you can use your Twilio SMS. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.